M. Shout. Vocabulary: mum, come, my, tomorrow, met, him, summer, small, family, remember, from, muffin, make, conversation. Mom, can my friend Tom come home with me for lunch tomorrow? I guess so. Have I met Tom before? You met him in the summer. He's small and really smart intimate. I remember Tom. His family comes from Maine, right? That's him. Oh, Mom, can you make some handmade muffin tomorrow? Maybe if I have time. But Mom, I told Tom about your muffin. That's why he's coming for lunch tomorrow. Exercise. My work is exciting. My brother is handsome. My son is nice. My daughter is beautiful. My husband is good.